Hi, everyone. We're back with the third part of this, which is targeted offers. And this is the third type of sale and coupon that Etsy lets us set up. So let's go back into my marketing tab and I'll show you how those work. We're in the marketing tab again. And to get there, you go to marketing, sales and discounts, and it'll take you to this page. This is where you set up the sales and coupons. And these are the targeted offers. Now, you can send a thank you coupon, an abandoned cart coupon, or a favorited item coupon. I use these two. I will tell you why. And I don't use the thank you coupon. Now, the reason for that is that Etsy sends out these coupons to people who either abandon the cart, which means they put things in the cart and then they leave and they don't come back. Etsy will send them a coupon and says, hey, you left things in your cart. Here's a coupon. Would you like to buy them? And sometimes they do come back and buy them. So that brings people back and it gets you a sale where you might not have gotten it before. Now, yes, some people do know that and they put things in the cart and then they leave and wait in case they get a coupon, but so what? Just let them have it. Don't make it very high. Make it 10%, minus 10%. That's not a big deal. Okay, it's the same with favorites and it's 10%. Now, I do offer people a sign-up code, a coupon that they get when they sign up for my email list, and that's 20%. So you want to make that kind of an offer better than something for a favorite or an abandoned cart so that people have an incentive to sign up for your email list. I'll talk about email lists in a different video. But for me, I have the favorited item, which is 10%. And Etsy will sometimes send people, they don't send it to every single person, because if Etsy sent people a coupon for every single thing they favorited, people would be spammed unmercifully. And Etsy has limitations about how often they can send coupons to people, how often they, like how long something has to be in the cart before they send the abandoned cart, how long something has to be favorited before they'll send that, and how many offers can be in a specific email. So you could set these up and then maybe never get a coupon sent out, but they're free. You don't have to pay Etsy to send these out. So go ahead and set them up, because you might as well, right? It's a way to maybe get people to come back to your shop and buy something. Why not? We don't have to pay for them. When they first brought this out, they were going to make us pay every time they sent one out, and then they changed their minds. So as long as it's free, it doesn't cost you anything to do it, go ahead and do it. And here's the details. You can look at the details. It'll tell you the specifics about it. And look, it's been active since July last year. So in a year, I've got $1,000 in sales from it. That's okay. And let's see the details on this one, 355. It's the same thing. I set them up last July. So that's that. Now, the reason that I don't use the thank you coupon, the thank you coupon is a coupon that Etsy will send automatically to customers after you send their order. The reason that I don't use that is that this says send an offer to a buyer after their order ships to thank them for their business. Okay, so I'm thinking that's fine, right? After someone sends, I send the order, Etsy's going to send them a coupon, that's fine. But at some point, Etsy started sending them randomly, and I can't control that. So I have in my mind a certain percentage of people who use a discount when they buy from me, and it's generally about 10%. So 1 in 10 people will use a coupon when they buy from me. Most people buy at full price, but if Etsy's just going to randomly start sending coupons out like crazy, then that's going to increase the percentage off and it eats into my profit margins. So think about this. You might want to try it, turn it on and just see what happens, because yes, Etsy does send it out after the order is placed, maybe like 24 hours after or something. Again, they have limitations around this, but it's very vague. And I've received emails where it says, this shop wanted to send you a coupon. I'm like, no, they didn't. They just set up a thank you coupon and you're sending it out. So yeah, maybe it might bring a sale. It's up to you whether you want to use that or not, but I don't. I use these two and I leave this one off. I send people my own sign up offer, like I said. So down here, I'm not going to show you this because this has all my coupon codes on it. But down here at the bottom of the page, it says offer details and stats. When you go down there, it'll tell you how long the coupon has been up for, the coupon code, what's the value of it, and the whole thing. So you can kind of look and see how many have been sent out. Now, again, you don't have control over when Etsy sends these out. Etsy has rules around how often it can send them and the whole thing. So let Etsy just set it up and then let Etsy handle it. And like I said, just make them 10%. That's usually enough to get people to come back if they were thinking about it. But it's not enough that it's going to really kill you if Etsy sends it to every single person. So if we're going to set this up, just click on it and then it'll tell you all the things that you need to set up. So you choose the percentage off, just do 5 or 10%. I would do 10%. 5% is kind of low. for any of these coupons. 10% is about what I would do. Because like I said, you want to make your email list sign up the best offer that you give people, and 10% is enough for this kind of thing. So then you choose a little name for it. And see, this says include customers from the last 90 days. This is where they get, so they're going to send people for 90 days after they buy something, they might get this coupon from you. So just be aware of that, because you might be thinking, oh, it's just, when somebody places an order now, they'll send it. Yes, but they're also sending it to everybody else. And that could be good. You might want those people to come back and buy something, but you, like me, you might want to keep control of your finances. So totally up to you, but you just fill this out and then click create one offer, and it will show up here. What if it's active? This is not active, so it says set up, but then it'll show up here, and then that's all you have to do. Etsy takes care of it, like I said. And just remember that you cannot send people coupons if they didn't ask for one. So if you have customers who bought something 90 days ago, Etsy can send them a coupon because they opt into targeted email marketing from Etsy, not from you, not from individual shops. They say when they click off their little email preferences, they say, yes, Etsy can send me emails. They don't say every individual shop can send me emails. You cannot use the Convo system to send coupons. You cannot send emails to people. It's just spam, so don't do it. But if you set this up, Etsy has their own guidelines and they'll send it to people that's reasonable, in a reasonable time. Like I said, you may never get anyone using it, but it says here, I've gotten $920 in revenue from discounts of the other discounts. And for these, it's brought me what was like $1,400. So it's worth it. It doesn't cost you anything. Go ahead and set it up. Leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.